So dito naman, we will have another location shoot. And this is all for the bakers out there. So kung gusto nyo mag-bake and nag-ano ka ng maging chef and a pastry baker, yan, di ba? So ito meron silang, they have the breads here. You can see the breads. Yan. So dito naman, ang isang location shoot na ginawa nila, location shooting pala na ginawa nila, is the baker. If your fantasy is to become a pastry baker, meron silang mga bread dito. This is talagang soft no? But these are foam, pero artistic kalidad. Diba? Ayan, no? Para siyang totoo. Talagang totoo siya. Parang totoo. This is the fantasy. That's why they call this the Green Forest Fantasy, because you can imagine everything you want and it can be recorded through a picture at saka video. Ayan. Pwede ka kunwari kumakain ng bread, and there's a lot of breads here. See? This is the bread room. Your fantasy is to become a baker. Meron naman ditong shoot ng mga ginawa silang mga breads. Oh, may sliced bread din. See the sliced bread. So look at this bread. They look so real. So tingnan mo tong location shoot naman ito. This is for the bakers to. At ang kagandahan, meron talaga silang tinapay. And these are soft, parang soft tissue. Ayan. And it's the very realistic one. Ayan. Wow. Soft. Yan yung mga bakers natin. You can see the freshly baked. It's really a fantasy. Kuha yung mga breads. Sliced breads. Here's the sliced bread. So this is the party concept. So if your fantasy is to become a baker, meron naman ditong shoot ng mga ginawa sila mga breads. Sliced bread din. See the sliced bread. Oh, we're here again at the Green Forest Fantasy. So ito, marami silang mga structure na ginawa dito that you can really have your pictures taken. So this is a place where you can take your pictures because they make a lot of places or some locations that you can take your pictures. So the only activity that you can enjoy here is to have your pictures taken. So this is another concept that they made. So this is the Green Fantasy Forest. So maganda rin idea na ginawa nila for tourist spots kasi usually ang mga tourist naman talaga ang gusto talaga ay nagpapapictures and they are looking for something that they can have their pictures taken. So this is the fantasy that they have created, the green fantasy forest. Just like this, itong mga tourist na to na nasa likod. So here, may ano talaga. May mga lalaki ng mga fish. So alam mo na ang gagawin ko sa fish. The wedding